Today we're going to be doing a teardown on the regular Razer Cobra wired mouse. So this is going to be a fairly simple mouse, nothing too complicated going on here. So the first thing we need to do is actually heat these skates off and then pry them off. So we're going to need a heat gun for this. You can do it without a heat gun, but you're going to risk actually breaking these skates. So if you can, just get like a hairdryer, or if you actually have a heat gun. Once you heat the skate up a bit, you can start to pry it off. And you can see it is going to start coming off on the sides here. And I recommend really heating it up so the glue comes off easily. So removing the skate actually was not necessary, so we're going to check this one if there's any screws. You do want to check everything before unscrewing it, that way you don't accidentally break the mouse when attempting to tear it down. We removed this skate as well, and there are no screws here as well. So the next thing we want to do is remove this Razer sticker with the serial number and all that here. So you can come at it with a prying tool, and I also recommend heating this up a little bit. So we have the sticker starting to peel. We can just go ahead and peel it off. And then once you peel the sticker off, you can just set it aside somewhere. And then you're going to see we have access to 3 bolts here that we can unscrew. And to unscrew them, we're going to be using this electric screwdriver. And then once all the screws are gone, you should be able to just pry this right open. And as you can see, it's fairly easy to take apart. Once you unscrew everything, this is what's inside the mouse. This is going to be the housing, fairly straightforward. This white piece here is just going to be this DPI switching button. And then that white part is just going to register the button clicker here. Here's a close-up for you guys to see what's actually inside this mouse. And if you want to actually take off this logic board, it's pretty simple. There's going to be 3 screws. There's going to be one here, up here, as well as over here. Thank you for watching this teardown video. If you're interested in any of the tools used in this video, links will be down in the description below. See you guys in the next one.